to a regulation station. Today we have an order from Lolita. She bought a dopamine dose, which is 10 lucky balls. So let's start by pulling out 10 balls. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And we need to pick our lucky coin and put it in this cute little ring holder. I'm not looking. Green. Green is our lucky color. So we are going to start with ball number 1. Let's do the blue one. And we want green tokens to get extra balls. Pink. That's okay. If we get another pink, we still get an extra ball. And our first one, we're starting off strong with a puzzle orb. This is our 2-piece puzzle, which seems like 2 pieces. I've been working. I finally got it. But now, of course, that we're on camera, I'm not going to get it. It is 2 pieces, which seems like it would be, oh, look at that. Super, super easy to get apart. And, of course, I did not do it. Blue. Ooh, this is Solar Spin. This is one of our more traditional fidgets. You can spin in the middle, or you can hold the middle and spin the outside, and you have some texture here on the outside. Love it, love it. Next ball. White. Not all of the balls have tokens, so we've been very fortunate so far. Aw, old softy. Okay, we're gonna have to go over here to our extra stock. I'm gonna grab 2 and go ahead and stock. Our keychain rack. He's the cutest. A little keychain clicker. Soft ice cream. Just adorable. Oh, let's do a green one. Oh, I hear a token. Blue. I always forget to ring that. Not my problem. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to be aggressive ASMR. These are decision die. Yes. No. If you're having trouble deciding, roll that, and then it's no longer your problem. Let's do a green one. See, no token. Oh! It was green. It blended in. Oh my gosh, and I forgot. This is way harder than it looks. Okay, the halo. Now, Lolita did not give me any preferences. Since I don't know, I'm going to go with 10. And let's get a different color since we already have that blue. We have this fancy gold and purple ring. A little secret fidget. Okay, because I missed this, I rang the bell and then forgot to do it. You get an extra ball. Let's do a pink one. Of course. So sorry I didn't pick one with a token. Maybe it's a really good one. Oh. Do the twist, large. So this is our small do the twist. And this is our large. So it can be very loud. And this one is half green, half blue. The ball's the same. Perfect for your desk. It's not subtle. If you like subtle fidgets, it is not subtle, but it is fun. Another blue. Come on. Oh my gosh. You guys, nobody even sounded the alarm. Okay, anchor. Anchor is like our custom little worry stone. Let's do this one. You can just subtly hold it in your hand, keep it in your pocket. There you go. Our lucky color green, and I completely missed it. Oh, we'll get another ball. Let's do a blue one. Black. The works. We'll do a white one. This one's crazy. It has so many pieces. You have your twisty, and you can slide this. It's not a quiet one. No movie theater for this. And then you have a click. So now you can see why it's called the works. You have whatever is your favorite. There's your little fidget. Congratulations, I'm glad I noticed that. Hopefully at the end I would have noticed. No token here. Square dance. This is the very first thing that we ever made. And we made about 150 of them. What colors are we seeing? Let's do purple. Pretty traditional little fidget. This goes this way. This one goes this way. However you like to play. Keep your mind occupied. Good little haul so far. Let's do the green one. Ah. Ding, ding, ding. Is that more annoying than fun? The works. So if you remember, that is this one. And I'm going to actually set it right here, or else I'll forget. But I'm going to replace it with something else so you don't get two of the same. And let's get an extra ball. Purple. White. Marble and mesh. This is one of the few things that we did not print, but it is super, super fun. Let's do red. It's a little mesh pocket, and there's a marble inside. No matter how you squeeze it, it always pops around. Boop. Very cute. Okay. We have a couple. It also is a little bit of a sensory toy or tool. You can hear that. Oh, look. Extra ball. So far you've had 1, 2, 3, 4 extra balls. Oh, black. Thought it was blue for a split second. Over easy. What could that be? What could that be? Back over here to our keychains. And our very loud clickers. No token. Still have another chance. Aw, this is more of a sensory tool, and this is another one we did not print. They are pom-poms. What do you think? That's a pretty good color. It is like faux rabbit fur. It is so soft. Last ball. Come on, we want a good token. A good one, a good one, a good one. Oh, it's a lucky token. Infinity Cube. You might have seen one of these before. And we 3D printed this. So it is an original. Red is the only color I have. We are getting a nice little mix. Nice little mix. Green, green. We got a lucky color. Oh. Red. I didn't wish hard enough. Carry on. Okay, this is also a keychain. So I am actually going to now replace 2 things. I feel like 2 keychains is probably enough. So we have 2 things. Let me look around. You got the unwind, which is a really great one. Oh, I know. First we can do the prickle. Little stim tool. It has very gentle prickles for a little stimulation. I think I'm going to do 2 different things. Let's do a legend and an orbit box for the last replacement. So this is our little legend. And he is a dragon with a snake body. I'm not really sure. I mean, he has his little legs, but I don't know if I've ever seen a dragon like this. But he is fun. Definitely soothing. And this is another great desk tool to set. It looks cute and the ball never ever comes out. So I've said before, this is as good or better than meditation. Everybody who orders the Dopamine Dose gets a free gift. And it is a little bag to put all your tools in so you can carry them around and take them wherever you go. And that includes 2 little sensory strips, which are actually stickers, but you know, you don't have to use them for that. You can just carry them in your pocket or your purse. And a postcard, a real one that you can send to a friend or a family member. And a sticker. Enjoy the little things. There you go. And of course, since we are a scoop shop, we love some freebies. So, get a bag of, let's do orange. Get a little bag of micro freebies in here. Did you see that little penguin escape? We're going to shove him in there. And we have so many of these spinny guys. I'm going to put some in your bag for you. There you go. That goes right here in this little bag. Oh, I see you got a mini swatch. Definitely one of my favorite things. I'm going to pull it out and show it to you. Oh, you got the little peas and some squishies. I see a pipsqueak. And this is a little mini swatch. So it's 3D printed, but it's like fabric. Love it, love it. Got some squishies. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I hope you love everything. Please send me a message and let me know what are your favorites after you use them for a while. I'd really love to hear. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.